Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, what a day, what it is. 7 March was a big day because we got to see some massive moves. To be honest, I missed the market because 7 March is my birthday, or yesterday was my birthday, so I was busy and I missed the big moves. Okay, so DXY made a high of 105.90 and DXY is extremely bullish. In my previous videos also, I clearly mentioned that we have a resistance around 105.50, but the resistance was not a very strong. I mentioned that, and we saw market breaking the resistance and going higher. If you look at the news, you can see Powell pushes dollar to 3-month high. The dollar was riding high on Wednesday, flung to 3-month peaks when Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell surprised investors by warning that interest rates might need to go up faster and higher than expected to rein in inflation. Gold slips to 1-week low after Powell strikes hawkish tone. So, market saw big moves on 7 March. Okay, while I was cutting the cake, market was showing gold was showing bloodbath. Okay, so right now gold is standing at 1812 and gold made a low of 1809. Hopefully most of you are in the sell side right now and we are in good profit, because after this kind of massive move, okay, it is always better to follow the trend of the market. Right now the trend of the market is bearish. We can see heavy selling going on. As a result, stop looking for reversals. Before I proceed with the video, I would like to mention one more thing, that today also we have some news. So please be careful during the US session. Especially beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, observe the market, gain experience how to trade during the news hours, but try to avoid with any US dollar open position. Okay, if you have any open position on any USD pair, try to avoid, try to close down. Please be careful during the volatile situation of the market. Okay, so please be careful and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. So in this market situation, sell on rise. Okay, sell on rise should be your only trading strategy, because if we look at the chart, then we have the next support around 1804 to 1805. But is this a good support? No, this support is not strong. This is not a good support from where you can expect the market to reverse. Maybe you'll get to see a quick bounce of 30-40 pips. That's it. Okay, it may be a bounce for a couple of seconds, also a couple of hardly 1 or 2 minutes, but this level does not have the strength to give a proper trend reversal to the market to change the direction of the market. And the only support level, or the only strong support level on the chart of gold, is around 1788 to 1785. I have already mentioned about this level in my previous videos, and those who have been trading on the gold for last 1 year, 2 years, they know about this level very well, because 1790 was a very critical support as well as resistance around 1 year ago, 2 years ago. So this level is still in the market and will play a critical role again. So as of now, no proper immediate support on the chart of gold. We have a minor support around 180405 where we can expect a minor bounce. That's it. Okay, so if market bounces, if you're an experienced trader, you can look for a quick buy position, but if you're a beginner, try to avoid. And in this ongoing scenario, okay, sell on rise. Sell on rise should be your only trading strategy, especially before the news. See, to be honest, I also don't know. Nobody knows what will happen after the news. Nobody can predict the market. That's the bitter reality of the market. Okay, so as a result, we as retail traders, we need to learn when to trade in the market. Also, we need to learn when not to trade in the market. Okay, so before news, sell on rise should be your trading strategy. After news, I don't know what will happen. If market shows trend reversal or anything like that, you can follow the trend. Okay, that's a complete different ball game after the news. But before news, while market is like this, okay, sell on rise means whenever the market will be going up, you should look for sell position at resistance. Okay, that should be your only strategy when there is no news in the market. So what are the levels for the day? First of all, we have a strong resistance around 1831.50 to 1829, and the reason is previous support to act as resistance. But the problem is that this level is very far away, and we also have Fibonacci around this area. But the problem is the level is far away from the current market price. After news, if market starts going up, then you may face some resistance, but as of now market is weak. But still, this is a resistance, 1831.50 to 1829. Keep it inside your head. If market goes up and reverses, you can look for a sell position. Before that, we have some resistance around 1821 to 1823 as well, around this area. And the reason is this bounce, okay, and as well as Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, to be precise, okay, this level will be 1820 to 1823. But my dear friends, do not forget that Fibonacci 23.6 is not a very strong resistance. Fibonacci 38.2 is a better level in comparison to the first level of 0.236. So if market goes up, then please be careful during the news. Okay, during news, in case the XY starts falling, okay, and in case the XY starts falling, and if you see gold going up suddenly, then obviously this level will fail. See, news level is a different thing. Whenever fundamentals dominate the market, you must understand that technicals usually fail. So technicals are the main things that give a direction to the market. Fundamentals are the main things that give a direction to the market. Technicals are there to help us with the entry and exit. Okay, so usually it's the fundamentals that is most important, that gives a direction. Okay, technicals for entry and exit. So 1820 to 1823 is another level or the first resistance for us. In case market does not show much volatility, especially before the news, market does not show much volatility. If you see price rejection around this area, market showing reversal, you can look for a sell. So these two are the two logical resistances on the chart of gold right now. Apart from these two levels, to be honest, I do not see any level where we can look for sell. And if you're thinking about this black line here, yes, the black line may act as or may not act as resistance. I am not sure yet. Okay, and the reason is the 15 minutes chart. See, this is a 15 minutes chart, and I'm thinking, okay, that if market goes up, there may be some resistance around this area, around 1817 level. But to be honest, I am not sure yet. Okay, if market hits the level and reverses, then I will look for a sell position. But to be honest, I am not confident enough about this level. But these two levels seem good right now. If market reverses and acts according to our expectation, then we can look for the trading opportunities. But in this situation, market is very volatile, so please be careful. See, yesterday we got the perfect example that no level is permanent in the market. So that's why I always say that risk management is the most important thing, because you cannot gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so my dear friends, this is the world's most forex trading workshop is back. As you all know it, that the 3 days workshop is back. It will be on 16th, 17th and 18th of March. If you really like my work, if you really want to learn from me, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description, and the best part is that after the workshop you'll also receive support for 1 whole month, okay, so that you don't feel lost. My dear friends, you can see that I have a FAQ section on the website, and the reason is that the workshop has been designed mostly for those people who have been struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market, and you can see the 3 pillars. And to be honest, the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program, so don't get confused. Okay, once you sign up for Pro Trader program, you'll get the access to the workshop. So 10 reasons means the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, so timing, dates, everything on the website. Feel free to check out the link if you are interested. Bye bye, take care.